we need to broaden the curriculum, and knowledge rich is important, but it results in technologically, vocationally, and emotionally poor. And we have to rebalance that. And we have to do that as quickly as the workforce can cope with it, which might not be that quick. And how we do that, look, I think that then goes back to the constraint on that change is a little bit of it's one, political leadership. Perhaps we can address that at the next election, but it is also the capacity of the workforce to change. And so we have to stop doing some things, and we have to grow some capacity in the workforce. And I think we can do a lot by changing aspects of the accountability system. Get rid of EBAC, as we've said today in that report. Get rid of some of the testing that we overly do in primary school and reallocate some of that resource elsewhere. Change the inspection system. So just free up teachers, build trust in the profession, flip the culture away from a culture of fear to a culture of trust and professionalism. And then I think the workforce, reconnecting with their intrinsic motivation to be teachers, will be up for some of the change that we then want to do.
Let's rethink education.